Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Living Life Within a Budget. My name's Mandy, and today we have a small AliExpress haul. Let's get into it. So, first item that we have here, this is going to be for my husband for Christmas. They're all individually wrapped. Oh, perfect. But it came with 5 pieces, and it's the entire South Park cast as little figures. I'm not a big South Park fan. I know like Kenny and Cartman, but that's about it. Those are really cool. And there's the last one there. I think my husband's going to really like these for Christmas to set up around his desk. And for 5 pieces of them, it wasn't that badly priced. And next item, it's a t-shirt, and I did get it in an extra large in hopes that it won't shrink too much. But if you're a fan of Jay and Silent Bob, you know what this is. It's a Movies t-shirt. And this is actually like a cotton t-shirt. It's a nice t-shirt. It's very decent quality. 100% cotton apparently. But I think he's going to really like that, because he's a big fan of Jay and Silent Bob. And speaking of which, the next 2 items here are also going to be for my husband's stocking. But they're enamel pins of Jay and Silent Bob. I think these are freaking cool. As a fan of the show myself, or the people myself, I think I want these for my own pin collection. So maybe that's a hint for him for my birthday. But I think those are really cool. And they're all done in like silver. He's going to really like those. So those are going to be for his stocking. And then the next 2 pins here are for myself, because they keep going in and out of stock on AliExpress. So I wanted to get them while I could. But this is a Jareth to go along with my little worm pin. It's from Labyrinth. I really like the rainbow colors for like the David Bowie. I really like it. And the next one here, the hair is a little bit darker than I would expect it to be. But other than that, I really like it. But it's from Mrs. Doubtfire, when she gets the cream pie on her face and she goes, "Hello!" I'm sure everybody knows what that is. I really wanted that, but I wish the hair was a little bit lighter. Okay, and next item we have here, AliExpress actually sent me the wrong size. I ordered a 100 by 150. But as you can see on the tag, they sent me the wrong size. So it's not what I ordered, and I don't have enough time to get a new one before Christmas because AliExpress doesn't ship as quick. But I'll show you guys anyway. It's a blanket. It's a very small blanket. It's not as large as the other ones. But I'm still going to give this person this gift anyway. They can use it as a tapestry or just a small throw blanket for their couch or whatever. So it'll still be of use. It won't be a waste. It's just not what I ordered. I was expecting it to be like the other sizes of my blankets that were in the other videos. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. But I was expecting it to be a little bit larger because I ordered larger. I'm in the process of getting a refund for that as well, so it's no big deal. So that was everything for our small little AliExpress haul. How did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you're trying to get that notification bell clicked so that you don't miss when I post another video. Thank you guys all so much. Bye.